Alright guys, today we are going to do a short video on how to adjust an aftermarket carburetor that we just installed on an Echo pb-250ln. It's going to take a special screwdriver. They're just really narrow. This is a still one. I'll put they've got a kit of them in I'll put it in the description below. They're really cheap. It's really handy to have them around. All the special different deals they've got going on now. So they've got two adjustments on these, and even the old ones got them. It's just they're plugged. So there's like a plastic plug in this and a plastic plug in this. So what you would do if you had the old one and you wanted to get to the new one, the aftermarket one, see there's a flathead slot in there, and then there's a flathead slot in here. Oh, let me get that flashlight on. Right there. But to get into this one, it's got a plastic cap. So the original ones, you would have to heat up your flathead red hot. I mean, till it's scorching hot. And then you stab it in there, it'll melt into the plastic, and then you hold it there. And I spray some carb cleaner on it to cool it off while I'm holding it in place. Try not to move it at all. And once it's all the way cooled down, that plastic will have hardened onto it. And then you just slowly turn it, and it'll turn that plastic. And as you're turning it, just gently pull up, and it'll pull that plastic out. The plastic will still be on the end of your screwdriver. But thankfully with these, they've already got no caps in them, so you can adjust them. This is an aftermarket one. Alright, so this one is idle. Most of the time the idle's fine. Like this thing's idling fine. So air fuel on that's fine. It's not full revving, so we're going to do air fuel mixture on this. Since it's not getting full RPM, we're going to go clockwise with it. And it's very little. It doesn't take much to make this go up. And then if you go too far, it'll go right back down. So it's very, very touchy carburetors. It takes very little to make them do what they got to do. All right, hold on. Let me get to Robert. All right, turn it on. Heard it, it's smoothed out and got the best maximum RPMs it can get. And then when I went too far, it started going down again, so I came back a little bit. All right, usually these things have a little bit more RPMs. This one just doesn't seem to. I may check the muffler and see if it's clogged, and maybe change the plug. I don't know. We'll see. But that's how you adjust the carburetors. That's all this video was. If this helped you out in any way, shape, or form, give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Today's t-shirt will be in the description below, as well as all the adjustment screwdrivers. I'll have them in there. It's a whole kit of them for super cheap. Just click the link. If you want to do any advertising through me, message me. I'll be more than happy to put you on my channel. Peace.